We're in day one and we have a ton of production. When you enter the room, I want the visual to be centered. To have people that share in my vision and are willing to go the extra mile, that's what makes the experience so extraordinary. Hello and welcome to the Fontainebleau Las Vegas. My name is Andrea Eppolito and this is the first wedding that I am having an opportunity to produce at this beautiful property. We fell in love with this ballroom. The biggest thing that drew us into it were the overhead lights. They have that kind of vintage Vegas vibe that works so well. And so I wanted this ceremony to be really rooted in this idea of it feels like heaven. And so this is where we're leaning into the white on white. We've got these gorgeous velvet white drapes, this kind of warm white carpet. And what you see here is almost an 80-foot aisle that's raised, taking you all the way up to the stage where we are building something. I've called it my chandelier cross. Edgar and his team have named it the ghost that we have partnered with AI to create, and that's what really allows us to bring the vision to life. We're in day one of day 3 for load-in, and we have a ton of production. There is a crew of over 50 people here. Now this ballroom is exquisite on its own, but we really wanted to lean into the black and the white, the contrast, and to do that, you need a full team. So these guys, say hi, Edgar. Edgar and his team flew out not once, not twice, but on 3 separate occasions to just get an idea and a feeling for the space. And so we've got lots and lots of people, lots of activity happening. Day 1 of day 3, we have so much to show you. I want this line on the wall. So I need to go 20 feet and 6 inches. All of these lights have to become stage lights, and the backtrack lights need to become dance floor lights. Nice to meet you. Thank you for being here, and thank your team. It wasn't working in my head because I knew that there was something off, so that's what it is. Welcome to Taylor and Rob's welcome party. We are here at Intrigue. Now this is a very special, exclusive place. It looks like just a gold, creamy library. When guests arrive, they're going to be greeted at the front with our team, who's going to be giving them beautiful masks. They're going to come down the staircase with all the candlelight. And then when they walk in, they are going to be met with a ton of photos of my bride and groom. Wear white very often because I am not the bride, but tonight it is a white party, and so everyone is going to be dressed in white except my bride, who is in the most stunning couture Walter Mendez dress. It's black, it's gold, it's gorgeous, and she looks like Barbie come to life. This is an absolutely perfect place to kick off our weekend, and we are so excited to celebrate. Hello and welcome back. We are here at Fontainebleau for day 2 of Taylor and Rob's wedding setup. So as you can see, we finished our dry set last night. The tables, the chairs, the flooring, anything not going live. They say that your experience with an event begins the moment that you know that the event is going to take place. When I'm opening doors, what are my guests going to see? What are they going to feel? What are they going to hear? And one of the things that I really love to do is to create an immediate sense of intimacy. I love to give people a tunnel. We're going from the white on white, very heavenly, very ethereal ceremony, and we are bringing them into a space that is objectively darker and moodier. What do you see? You're gonna see the candlelight, the crystals, the flowers. What are you gonna touch? When they reach out and they realize that everything they're walking through is in fact real. And what do you smell? You're going to be hit immediately with this overwhelming smell of fresh flowers. It's really gonna be a very special experience, and it's gonna set the tone for everything else that's gonna come in throughout the night. Do we have anything else on these? More like little candles and all that?
Yeah.
Okay. These are the most extraordinary centerpieces I have ever seen in my life. Everyone has been in, or participated in a wedding. I have everybody's name and orders. We're actually gonna label your chairs so that there's no mistakes. So when you do get down there, there'll be a piece of tape with your name on it. Wait. Get the boy. Yay! That's perfect. I'm gonna hold your dress. You're gonna take your dad's arm, and then I'm gonna say, okay, go. All right.
Come right back.
I'm gonna come right back, okay? I'm gonna meet you at the restaurant so you and I can have girl time. Okay? Yay. Delilah is an experiential dining facility. You have this rich tapestry of this gorgeous marble. Looks stunning. Rob is dashing in his white dinner jacket. We've got a very small, intimate group coming in. The room has been pristinely, beautifully decorated with the whitest of white flowers, gorgeous glowing candles. Thank you for spending day 2 with me. I'm gonna be leaving here a little bit early because I've got a few finishing touches to put on the reception and the ceremony. So we'll see you there tomorrow. Wedding day, Taylor and Rob. We are on day 3. The crew has been working almost around the clock to make sure that every single detail in this space is absolutely perfect. I've said it before, I'm gonna say it again, I'm gonna say it 1,000 times. When you are choosing your creative partners, what you really are looking for is the flexibility and the willingness to make these changes on site. Teamwork makes the dream work. This is the dream team. And to have people that share in my vision and are willing to go the extra mile, that's what makes the experience so extraordinary. For their wedding night, I really wanted them to have access to something special. I wanted to give them an experience that most people simply can't buy. And so Fontainebleau and Mr. Maurice Wooden so generously gave us access to one of their premier fleur-de-lis suites. This is our wing, not mine. This is the couple's wing. It's so good.
forget. Taylor and Rob are out on the dance floor. They are surrounded by their family and friends. The room is beautiful. My heart is full. Thank you so much for being a part of this wedding. Has been a dream come true. I'm needed on the dance floor with the Jordan Kahn Orchestra, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.